Hi, I'm Dr. Scott Jensen, and I'm running to be your next governor. KISS. Keep it simple, stupid. That was the mantra in the 1990s in some of the political campaigns. I'm going to weigh in on that. How many people do you think died of suicide? Or how many people do you think have been incapacitated by mental health anxiety, near suicide, depression, anxiety like never before? It's a significant number. Take that chunk of people and look at our supply chains. How many of our supply chains have been fractured? Chips not able to get to us. Car dealers not having any inventory on their lots. Then let's go another level. How many shops, businesses, hardware stores, restaurants, big corporations are looking for people? How many businesses that could contribute so mightily to our economy are short employees? Why? Well, maybe it's because we've got companies saying, we're either going to fire you or you're going to violate your core convictions. Maybe it's because in Minnesota, where we were told at one time that we had almost 3,000 ICU beds available for the people in Minnesota, way back in February of 2020, and now we're told that the denominator is not anywhere near 3,000, it's 1,200. And then we're told that 1,150 of those beds are filled, and so our ICUs are in danger of being overflowing. Oh, but by the way, less than 200 of those ICU beds are being occupied by people with COVID-19. And oh, we're not necessarily going to tell you how many of those COVID-19 patients were necessarily admitted because of COVID-19. Folks, we have done dastardly things to our economy. We have interrupted supply chains. We have incentivized people to not work. We have taken large chunks of the working force that wants to work and said, we're not going to let you back in. When you fire a nurse who 15 months ago was lauded as a hero, you may well be losing that nurse to the healthcare field for the rest of their lives. They may say, I'm not doing that again. I stood in the trenches and put my life in danger. I did this at the risk of my family, of bringing this disease home to my family. I'm leaving the healthcare workers, and I'm going to do this or I'm going to do that. The unintended consequences of so many of our policies is vast. They are vast. And we have got to start being more measured, more thoughtful than what we have been. Because if you think the world is looking at America and say, wow, the way you handled that pandemic, the way you thought downstream, the way you considered all the things that might happen, they're not saying that. They're saying, where's America? The land of the free. Thank you.